Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM concept series, in this video we'll see how to enable and disable the location services via APM built-in method at runtime. Okay, we have method called toggle the location services. By using this method, we can able to enable or disable the location services. That is the GPS. We can on the GPS and we can off the GPS. Okay. So what exactly the toggle location services method? Okay, it toggles the device location services, that is the GPS on and off. Okay, we are demoing with the GPS here. If the location service was currently enabled, that is the GPS is enabled on, we can by calling this function we can disable them. It is vice versa. If our GPS is on, we can off it. If GPS is off, we can on it here. It's vice versa. Okay, and returns a boolean or a station indicator reflecting the success on the operation. So when you run this method, if we success based upon the status of our success, okay, it return a boolean value. If it is true, if the location service was successfully toggled, if it is, if we can able to change the location service on and off successfully, the return will be true. Yes, it is false or an error if the operation failed. That is due to insufficient permissions and platform restrictions. Okay, so the usage example is the device dot toggle location services enables or disables the GPS or location service based upon the current state. Okay, now we open the our Eclipse here. So we'll create a class under the Appium concepts package. So create a class here. So we can name this class as change location state demo. Okay, change location state demo. Click on finish. So what I did already, I created demo class with the before test and after test so that we can save the time. I copy from the demo class here and paste it here and do the necessary changes. Remove the package name, remove the class name here and update the class name here. Okay, change location state demo. So our class is ready with the before test and after test code here. Okay, so save the time. Okay, and in before test under the setup method, I have used the capabilities platform name Android, automation name UI automator 2, device name as Pixel 8. So I'll change the device name here. It is not Pixel 8 here. I'm using other device here. So this is the name of the device 13. Okay. So any name you can include it here. Okay. In my condition, I'm using simulator with the name as device 13. Okay. And quickly we'll go to the text block. Here we say here enable or disable the location services. That is a GPS on off. Okay, this is what we are going to do here. The first one will be the enable the, we can say disable. Okay, disable the location service. Type the location service. Disable the location service. That is the off, GPS off. Okay, that is the first condition. And next condition will be the enable the location service, that is the GPS on. So these two we are going to perform here. Okay, so first one will be the driver dot. So we have a method called toggle location services. Okay. By using this method, we can able to enable or disable the location services, that is GPS on and off. Okay. And what say? It says it's out. I says location services is disabled. That is disabled. That is GPS. GPS is off. Okay. And we'll wait for 5 seconds and then we enable 1 second here. So the dot sleep, just give the 5 milliseconds is that this one. And after disabling it, I had to enable it here. So I had to use driver dot location toggle location services. So here what I am doing here, I am enable it here. So sysout say location services is enabled. Okay, that is GPS is on. Okay, so this is all we are doing here. Okay, so we are enabling and disabling the location services by using the method called toggle location services. Okay, so I open the simulator here. Quickly go over the simulator and go to settings to demonstrate this code. So I open the settings here. In settings, we go to the location, click on location. See, my location is enabled here. GPS is enabled here. Okay, this is location services. Okay, go back to our code. So what I want to do, I want to run the code and change the location service to off. Yeah. Initially it was on. The first one will be GPS off. That is the location service will be disabled here. After 5 seconds, once again we run the code. Okay, with this method, toggle location services and location service will be enabled and GPS will be on. Okay, that's it. Now, before that one, we need to run the Appium server command prompt. Just say Appium, run it. So our Appium server is getting started. Just for the few seconds, so that it fully start the Appium server. Yes, our Appium server is started. Okay, now we'll go back to our script, and now see, look, currently it is enabled here. Now I want to run the script, and it will be inside it. So first step, it will be disabled. Okay, after 5 seconds, you will enable it here. Okay, just observe this one. Right click on the test ng test. Just observe the use location toggle here. The first it will be disabled, and then after 5 seconds, it enables the location here. This is GPS in our case. See, it is disabled now. After 5 seconds, it will enable the location here. So this is how we can able to change the location services, that is GPS off and on, by using the inbuilt method called toggle location services. By using this method, we can change the location services, disable or enable here. Okay, but before take care of that one, we should have the adequate permissions to do that one. Okay, if we do not have permissions, we cannot able to change the location services here. Okay, and this method works fine in the simulator, real-time device, and cloud device also. Okay. If you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel, and I'm pushing this code to our GitHub. Okay, including our previous scripts also, that is a change Wi-Fi state demo and change data state demo. Okay, all these things I am pushing to our GitHub here. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.